Hey, it's Heather again, and this is going to be another tutorial. I'm going to speak a little bit faster so we could get through it quicker. So we're going up to the Jamie Circle monogram template. It's this tree one over here. Just like the vine monogram, the Brandy circle and soon to be the Aaron circle monogram are all the same design setup. It's just these are different sizes to fit the product. So I'm going to go into the Jamie, but it will cover the Brandy and the Aaron as well. So our first step is going to be clicking this blue X so that we can reveal our circle monogram. Like all of our templates, this black square around the ABM monogram is our engravable space. The first thing I always want you to do when you open up a template is take your mouse and click somewhere outside the box. For this one, I'm zooming in while my mouse is hovering above the actual monogram. I'm going to double click, not once, but twice. That will highlight your entire text. There is a written out sheet back there that will tell you the third letter key. With circle monogram, it's different with the third letter. So my monogram is Heather Lynn Campbell, so it's HCL. So I'm doing a lowercase h and uppercase C, and then I'm using Shift 1, Shift 2 is going to be my L. Once you have the text in place, click somewhere off side of it, and you'll see it turns blue and it has these tiny little squares around it. That means it's selected. With circle monogram, the next step is you want to go to the upper left corner, click with your mouse, hold it down, and drag a box over the entire monogram. So as you see, the blue circle and the HCL are highlighted in blue. You're going to go up to the top column, go to Arrange, go to Text to Graphics. We need to change that text to a graphic design. Go right back into Engrave and go to Connect Path and say OK. This will connect the circle with the letters, and this is going to allow us to reverse engrave this image. So over on the left corner from here, you go to Toolpath Tools, and we're going to go into the fourth one in where it says Fill. We do want a tool of 005 engraver, and there's a fill angle of 155. Great, hit OK. So everything's in blue, so I'm going to click somewhere outside. So that's the first pass of our reverse engraved circle monogram. I want you to zoom in now, and if you notice, this part's black. That's the outline. I want you to get in there and click it with your mouse so you only grab and select the outline. It should turn it blue. Go right back over to Toolpath Tools. Go to the fourth one in, it's Fill. And now change your fill angle to 25 and hit OK. This creates that cross-hatched look of that design. Click somewhere outside. Grab that outline again. It will turn blue, and delete it off. Make sure your design still has that crosshatch, or else you probably deleted part of the fill style. So I'm going to zoom out, and that's the completed project. So from this point, I'm going to take my mouse, click and drag a box over the entire image to select it, and hit Control-K. You didn't see anything move there, but Control-K will center my image. Now I'm going to do it again now that I moved it. It's centered, and at this point you'd go to the second from the top down and go ahead and start your engraving.